Hi guys, Ray from EPM. Today we have a 2018 Mustang versus a 2016 Mustang. We upgraded taillights in both of the cars. This is currently running the cursor mode, and if we unlock the car, you can see it's doing the cursor. One amber goes across, and on that car, it's doing the full sequence mode. So 3, it goes to 1, 2, 3. And then lock and lock. So I'm going to do a close-up video, obviously, on this mode. So it's the same as 15 and 17 model, and the installation is pretty much very similar. And it's got 7 modes. And I'm going to do a review, a bit comparison between these two versions. It's well known. There's a lot of obvious changes, but there's also some minor details that people might have overlooked. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.